Try this simple trick and your home will instantly gain a whole new atmosphere. Start by preparing a bowl of freshly ground coffee. Its rich aroma not only smells amazing, but also absorbs unpleasant odors and refreshes the air by reducing excess moisture. Then, fill a small glass with coffee. Take an orange and grate its peel on the fine side of a grater. This is where the precious essential oils are hidden. They have a relaxing effect, boost your mood, and bring a pleasant freshness into the room. Add the grated peel to the coffee in the glass, making the fragrance deeper and more invigorating. Now it's time for cinnamon. Sprinkle half a teaspoon on top. Its warm, spicy scent creates a cozy atmosphere and perfectly complements the aroma of coffee and orange. Finally, light the contents of the glass and let them smolder gently. In that moment, a natural incense is created that not only fills your home with a wonderful, enveloping fragrance, but also helps purify the air. A quick and easy way to bring calm and relaxation to your home after a long day. Mosquitoes disappear from the first minute you place this on your terrace or balcony. Prepare a plate or a saucer. Take some baking soda. Sprinkle a layer of soda on the plate with a teaspoon. A thin layer of about 3 teaspoons is enough. It doesn't need to be too much. Now take some ground coffee. Sprinkle it over the soda. It's best if it covers the soda. 5 teaspoons will be sufficient. The type of coffee doesn't matter. Instead of coffee, you can use coffee grounds if you collect them. Use a teaspoon to even out the coffee with the soda a bit. You need one more thing for such a plate. Take a box of matches, light one match, and place it on the coffee with soda. Light another match, and also place it on the coffee. Do this with a few more matches. Place them at some distance from each other. Don't worry if they go out. That's the point. The fire from the matches will be enough for the coffee to start smoldering gently. A light smoke will appear. This smoke is a super effective remedy for mosquitoes and other insects. It acts as a repellent. Wherever you place such a plate, you can be 100% sure that no mosquito will appear nearby. And that's exactly what you want. The gentle scent of smoldering coffee is very relaxing, but mosquitoes stay far away from it.
Beauticians add coffee to Nivea cream. It turns it into a product that rivals luxury skincare. It might sound odd at first, but once you try it, you'll be hooked. If you've got ground coffee at home, you can actually use it in your beauty routine. When mixed with Nivea cream, it creates a DIY treatment that saves both time and money. Put 2 teaspoons equivalent of Nivea cream in a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, then add in 1 tablespoon of honey. The enzymes in honey gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells while also acting as a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Mix everything well. Coffee is packed with anti-aging properties. Caffeine and other polyphenols help slow down the breakdown of vitamin C in the skin, keeping it smooth and preventing new wrinkles from forming. This powerful combo works wonders.
Apply this to your gray hair. No more spending a fortune at the salon. Simple, natural ingredients from your kitchen are all you need. They leave your hair smoother, shinier, and deeply nourished. Start with whole coffee beans, since they contain the highest amount of natural oils and pigments. Grind a handful of beans well. Place 2 tablespoons of the freshly ground coffee into a glass bowl. Freshly ground coffee has a stronger aroma and more intense effect. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar helps remove buildup and impurities, allowing the mask's ingredients to absorb better. Mix everything together. Pour hot water at about 70 degrees Celsius over the mixture and stir again. Now add honey. Honey moisturizes, smooths, and boosts natural shine. Combine everything until you get a uniform paste. Transfer the mixture into a jar. Your mask is ready. Apply it evenly to your hair, especially where the color needs support. Spread it thoroughly. Leave it on for 1 hour so the ingredients can work fully. This recipe is enough for 2 applications. After the first use, your hair will be smoother, softer, and naturally shiny. A homemade skin-tightening mask that erases wrinkles like a magic eraser. Your skin will feel firmer after just 1 application. The best part? It costs next to nothing to make. The key ingredient is coffee, a natural antioxidant that fights free radicals. That's why caffeine has anti-aging effects. Take 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and pour it into a small bowl. Coffee contains polyphenolic compounds that slow down the breakdown of vitamin C in the skin, smoothing it and preventing new wrinkles from forming. Next, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. Then add agar-agar, a plant-based thickening agent that works like gelatin. It ensures the mask stays in place and doesn't slide off your face. Place a dish towel at the bottom of a saucepan, pour in water, and set the bowl with the mask mixture inside. Stir constantly until everything dissolves. The texture should be like honey and have a light brown color. Once it cools slightly, apply the mixture to clean skin on your hands, neck, or face. Leave it on until it sets. This mask firms and nourishes the skin's outer layer. The coffee stimulates collagen production, helping to prevent wrinkles. Don't rinse the mask off. Peel it off in 1 layer. You'll see a difference after the very first use. For the second recipe, we'll use whole coffee beans, which offer even better quality. Place a teaspoon of beans in a grinder and grind them into fine bits. Caffeine energizes and stimulates the skin, helping blood vessels work more efficiently and improving circulation. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which provides deep hydration. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Blend everything together. That's all you need. Just 3 ingredients to create a nourishing, all-natural exfoliant. Coffee scrubs stimulate blood and lymph circulation, breaking down fat cells, reducing cellulite, and flushing out toxins. Coffee also protects the skin from harmful environmental factors. With regular use, your skin will look brighter and dark spots will fade. And that's not the only beauty product you can make with freshly ground coffee. Add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee to a small bowl. Then, separate an egg yolk from the white and add the yolk to the bowl. Egg yolk contains vitamin A, which helps fight acne and wrinkles. Add a few drops of liquid vitamin E, often called the youth vitamin. It boosts firmness and skin elasticity. Mix it all together and apply the mask to your face. Let it dry completely, then rinse off with water. For best results, apply this mask at least twice a week. It works like an eraser for wrinkles and discoloration. This coffee doesn't acidify the body, making it perfect for people with blood pressure issues. It doesn't cause nervousness, and its excess doesn't overload the liver. Unlike traditional coffee, it positively affects the digestive system. It may also help improve skin appearance and maintain balance in the body. The secret lies in the preparation method and the right additions. To make it, add 4 teaspoons of ground coffee to a pot. Add a pinch of caraway and the same amount of cinnamon and turmeric. Caraway aids digestion, cinnamon adds flavor and helps maintain balance, while turmeric enhances the aroma. Finally, add a teaspoon of honey. Pour previously boiled water over it, using up to 1 liter for 4 teaspoons. Simmer the mixture over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then set aside until the grounds settle. Pour into cups and enjoy the exceptional taste. Once you try it, you'll never go back to traditional coffee. This coffee will amaze you with its flavor and effect.